they call her Jane Doe. Not because that's her name, but because nobody really knows who she is. And the ones who did, well, they're not around anymore to talk about it. She's a nobody. She's everybody. A ghost with a license plate. Some people say she used to run these streets before the lights went out. Others swear she never existed at all. Just rumors floating in exhaust fumes and cigarette smoke. This car, this Citi Golf, she's not fast, but she's unforgettable. Lower herself to the ground, like she's bowing to no one. Interior, stitched tighter than the secrets she keeps. Every scratch is a story. Every creak is a confession. But she never talks, only purrs. See, Jane Doe is what they call someone when they don't know who they found. A body without a name. A story without an ending. And maybe that's the real reason. Not that she's lost, not that she's forgotten, but because the moment you think you know her, she disappears again into the dark. So, if you see her rolling by, don't ask questions. Don't look for answers. Just remember the name on the plate. Jane Doe. Unknown. Unclaimed. Unforgettable.